guys, welcome back. So today I have a new makeup video for you guys. So I'm super excited because I'm going to be using this CoverFX glitter drop. So if you'd like to see how I use this, then just keep watching. So I am going to be using this in a couple different ways. So I'm just going to be doing my normal makeup and just kind of using this when I can. So it does look like this. It is like glitterly, beautifully in it. I'm gonna put it on my hand also so you guys can see. Like, can you see it? I'm almost positive you can, like, there's no way you can't see it. Let's start. So I have not used this yet, so I'm super excited. The first thing I'm gonna do is to put some foundation on. My favorite foundation is the Born This Way from Too Faced. I've been using this primer, or not primer, the foundation for a really long time. So I'm just gonna use this. My color I'm using is light beige. I'm gonna get some of this in here. I don't know how much I should be using, so I'm just gonna put like 3 little drops. So then I'm just going to kind of blend it together and put it in my face. So you guys I can actually already see that it's like, I don't even know the word I'm looking for. It's not like too glittery though, I don't think, but I guess we'll see once we put everything on our face, but I'm sure it's gonna be great. Or if it doesn't, then hey, I'll know not to do that again. And I also love the applicator. I have a bunch from CoverFX. I have like a lot of these, but not the ones for the glitter. So I'm super excited to see how this works. So it makes you look like super dewy because it's like glittery. I'm just gonna do a really easy look today. I'm just going to put my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. And then I'm obviously blending it in with a sponge. This is the one from Morphe, my fave one. Alright, so I'm just going to use this. This is my Makeup Forever powder, and I'm just going to set everything where I had the concealer because I don't want anything too creased. Creased T with a T apparently. So next I'm using my bronzer. This is the Laura Geller Baked bronzer. My favorite, literally. I think it is my all-time favorite, especially because it's huge and like it's just an amazing color, and I just can't stop using it because it's just so good. Then I'm going to be using my favorite brush for bronzer. This is the Morphe R2, and then I'm just going to swirl this around and put probably way too much for bronzer than I'm going to. This bronzer is just so like soft, but then like the bronzer color, it's just like perfect. It's literally everything that I've ever wanted in a bronzer and in a brush. They just like go together so well. It is, okay. Awesome sauce. The texture of my face looks really good. I love that I can see like little, it's not like glitter, but like you can see that it's like, I don't know. I really like it. All right, I'm gonna go in for my eyes, and I'm gonna use this. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Now, to be honest, I'm most likely probably only gonna use these brown ones over here, but you never know, I might change it up in the middle of nothing. Like, you know, I might be doing nothing and then all of a sudden I'm like, bam, pink. Let's go in with the basic color right here. This is the Morphe M441. I almost said something different because my brain just sometimes doesn't want to think correct. So I'm just blending this in here. I love this color. It's like a perfect neutral, like in the crease kind of brush, not brush, color. And I'm just gonna blend it in here. All right, next I'm gonna get a smaller brush. This is the Sigma E25, and I'm gonna get a little bit darker for this one right here. I'll put this kind of once again in the crease but not going as high as the other one. I'm going to put this on the lower lashes as well. I'm going to go with the first color and then put that underneath again, just so everything is nice and blended. Alright, I'm gonna go back with this and let's see if I can put this like on my like lid, like just in the center of here. We're just gonna try it because I'm not sure if that's gonna work, so let's see. I'm gonna put some, once again, just a little bit on my hand. I almost said my finger. I'm going to put it right on my hand right here, and I'm going to use this tiny little brush. This is from Sigma. This is the Lip LO5, and I'm just going to put this right here on my here, and let's see if I can put this. Oh yes, you can. I'm going to add a couple of layers for this. So I'm going to use kind of like a cut crease, like kind of, but not really. Yes. How do you guys like it? Look how like, it's so like metallic-y. Oh my god. Alright, so I have all of that on my eyes now. Oh my god. It just looks so good. It is so like metallic-y and like, I don't even know. I seriously don't even, I can't wait to see when I put like lashes and stuff on. I think it's gonna look so good. Let's get on some blush. Alright, so I forgot to get blush, so the only blush I have with me right now is this color, so I know this is not gonna match, but we're gonna work it out. It's just the Morphe Y4, and I'm just gonna use a tiny bit, so hopefully I don't mess it all up, and just a tiny bit. And then I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer in it as well, just so it doesn't give like too much of a different color. I don't know if that makes sense, but to my mind, it makes sense. I'm going to add a little bit bronzer as well, just to kind of warmth that up so it's not so pinky. I think that definitely helps. Okay, cool. Alrighty, I'm going to put some mascara on and my lashes, and I will be right back. So I have my lashes on. I absolutely love everything about this eye look. I think it looks so good. Now I'm gonna let you know right on the back. That wasn't right. The only problem is that I put way too much on my face. You can see it's like all over my face now. So I would say don't use this for your face. So I would say it definitely works for like your eyes. That definitely works. We're definitely gonna try it for our highlight. I probably wouldn't do it for foundation. I would just put for like highlight for up here and maybe for your nose, which we're gonna try because I wanna see if that's gonna work. So I'm definitely gonna shake it again, and I'm going to put a little bit more on. So I'm going to put this right on my beauty blender, and I'm going to put it over here, and let's see how this works. So that's actually really pretty. So it definitely looks more of like glittery than it does in like a highlight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on my cheekbones where I normally do it for highlighting. So I'm going to put it on this side again, and I'm only going to put it right here. And then I'm also going to use another, like a real highlighter. So you can see here, you can see that it has highlight, but when you get closer, you can see it just has a lot of glitter. So I'm just going to put it on the side, and then I'm also going to add an actual highlight. But I'm going to put it in once again with a Beauty blender. Why do I cannot say that correctly? Beauty blender. And I'm just putting a tip, so I'm just putting just a little bit on the tip, and then just going in the center up here. I think that looks really good. Because there's like not too much, but like it is there. So I think once I put it on my highlight here, on my nose here, and then on my eyes, I think it's gonna look really good. So yeah, I'm telling you, don't put it on your face. That was, I'm glad I tried it out, because I'm sure a lot of you would probably try that out also. So I'm telling you, don't do it. Don't do it. The highlight I'm going to use is from Galactic, and this is Goldie. I love this highlighter. So pretty. I'm going to use my Morphe M510, and I'm just going to swirl it in here. I'm going to swirl it. I'm going to swirl it in here, and then I'm going to start putting it right on top of where we put that from CoverFX. Just kind of like give it a little bit more of a highlight. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. Not that I didn't look bad last time, but, and I'm also going to add this up here as well. So now you can see it's like a highlight, plus it's just kind of like, not face, like glitter, but it's like, makes it more like, oh, I don't even know. Oh my god, I love it. I love it, I love it. Alright, the last thing I want to do is do a lip, and I haven't used this color in a hot minute. So I'm going to be using this. This is from Dose of Colors. This is Truffle. Let's do it. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I absolutely loved everything that came out. My favorite is by far, this, just because I wanted to try it because I've never used this before, and I really wanted to try it like in other different ways that I can put it. So I love it on my eyes. I love it as a like nose highlighter. I love using like this highlighter. I do not like using it on my face, so definitely don't put this on your face. But I think this is very interesting. I love that it's like a glittery kind of thing. Let me know down below if you guys love CoverFX stuff. Let me know if you guys would like me to do any other videos with like specific products or using it like in different types of ways and stuff, because I thought this was pretty cool. So shh, don't tell anybody, but this is going to be in the November BoxyCharm box. So definitely, if you have not gotten it yet, go get it because it's really cool. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and then also don't forget to put the bell up here so you guys know when I put all new videos up. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.